Alright guys, if your Jeep Grand Cherokee is not starting, and sometimes it does start, sometimes it doesn't, most likely, or maybe one of the culprits could be this guy right here, your crank position sensor. You can see mine is kind of oily, which I've heard that might be one of the issues. Here's the new parts. There's the part number. This is for the 2099 to 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokees. That, my friends, right there is your crank position sensor. And I know I've already replaced it once, but it's out again. So you can see where the starter goes in here to the flywheel, bolts into that hole right there. And right above it is the crank position sensor. So you gotta drop the starter, 2 bolts, just let it hang, turn the, undo your battery. Oh, let me crawl it out of here. Undo your battery. I'm charging mine right now, but it's undone there. Drop your starter down, just let her hang. Put that guy in, 1 bolt, boom, be back on the road. Peace.